So what are a lot of the COVID-19 mask complaints that I hear? I usually hear it's hard to breathe, it's hard to speak in them, they smudge your makeup, it's annoying constantly buying them or making them. If that's you, stay tuned because I found a mask that solves all those problems. And this is my 11th month review, y'all. So that means I really love it. Number one, I can breathe in it. And I really love that there's a separator here. On the website, they say it allows like clean air to flow in and not be mixed, yada, yada, yada. But I just like the fact, it just feels better. I'm gonna be honest. And also sometimes when my nose is itching, you know how you have to like put the mask down to like either itch it with your hand, which is not wise because how many other things has your hand touched if you haven't hand sanitized it first? I just take the mask and like move it literally like this to scratch my nose. And the great thing about it too is the filters inside are also the KN95 filters. So this is definitely 100% something that works. Number two, it's easy to speak. And make sure you stay tuned towards the end because I'm gonna share another really cool option for those people who wanna like fully cover their face, or like when you're traveling or you're working in a space with a lot of people, like at a video shoot like myself. Oftentimes I'm going to share a dope find for y'all, okay? Make sure you stay tuned for that bonus. Number three, it lasts long and it's easy to clean. So literally all I have to do is I break this down, I open this up, take this off, wash it with soap and water, add a new filter, and wash this with soap and water, and that's what you do. It's supposed to go around your head, but I prefer them around my ears. It varies because my friend has one and she prefers it around her head. So if you prefer it around your ears, then you can just cut it and then knot it like this. And I say leave a little extra space at least for the first week or so because you want to confirm that it's definitely comfortable. Having this on for a full day, you'll start to realize what's comfortable for you and what's not. And you really want to make sure you don't do this too tight because it messes up the whole experience. And now you got to go look for this and substitute it and whatnot, which is not hard because this comes out just like this. See, it comes out, you can pull the whole thing out and put one in. This is another reason why I love this mask. Number four is makeup smudge proof. So as you saw when I took it off, like it didn't smudge my makeup. That's really helpful. If you do have it on all day though, I'm gonna be honest, like you will have an indent, that for sure you will have. But if you are one of those people who are like, regardless of the pandemic, I want to wear lipstick, you're good with this because you see all of that depth in there. That depth is allowing it so that your lips are not touching this. So you can go ahead and wear lipstick, y'all. Go ahead and like this video if you too hate when your makeup smudges because of your mask. Especially if you're gonna be on camera like myself, you can wear the lipstick and be confident knowing that you will still look cute when it is time for the big reveal. And number five, the price. The price is good. I'll admit when I first saw it, it's $30. I was like, ooh, $30, that's a little expensive. But when you think about the fact that this is an 11-month review and I have had the same mask since then. And how many filters have I purchased? I'm sure you guys wanna know that. It comes with 10 filters in it. I think I went ahead and purchased an extra 30 a few months ago just because I never wanted to have to buy them again. Might as well shave on shipping, right? But as far as how many I've used in the 11 months, keep in mind that I'm not going outside every day. I think I've used about 25 or so because you can use these for 3 days, it says. So I kind of break it out. If I just step outside really quickly, I'm not counting that as a full day. So they last pretty long, 30 bucks, it's a good deal. And just in case you didn't grasp that, I recommend buying it with additional filters the first time. I think it takes a week and a half to 2 weeks to arrive. Not the end of the world, right? That's life before Amazon. But if you get to the space where you need them filters and you ran out, it's going to suck. That's why I went ahead and bought the 30. So I ain't got to buy it again for a long time. So are y'all ready for this bonus? This is it. So this is my face shield, y'all, and I just recently discovered this. I gotta shout out my girl Brat because she showed up in this and I was like, what in the world? What kind of alien-esque type stuff is this? But after I realized, yo, this is really convenient because when I'm traveling, I prefer to have more coverage. Imagine being in an airplane. Like I know they said the air is safe, it's circulating and whatnot, or like somebody being close to you if they are, like somebody sneezes. I just want more protection when more people are around. So this dope face shield is something I found. I'm gonna link it below if you wanna buy it. But once again, I really love this for traveling and I love this for anytime you're around more people and just want more protection. Now, thing you should know, know, you should definitely wear this with a mask. So you will have your mask on and then you'll put this under it. And that is how you go on with your life. Now notice my voice sounds a little bit more muffled because this thing, yeah, there's no way you're breathing through this. So that's what's going on, but this is it. I don't know, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Look below. So just hopped on here to share this with y'all because it's a winner. Seriously, it's a winner. And it will be added to my Chazine's Favorite Things store. And if you are not familiar with Chazine's Favorite Things, it is a store that I have all affiliate links just to be completely transparent. But I only add items there that I love. No one is paying me to add those items. I love them, and so I add them. And of course I add an affiliate link because I wouldn't be a businesswoman if I didn't. But yes, that link will be below. So go ahead and check this out, and definitely check out all the other items that I have there as well. And if you enjoyed this video, I got another hack for you. Click that, go ahead. Go ahead and like this video too, or comment below if you find it hard to breathe in your mask. I'm just curious to know how many people are experiencing that problem. Go ahead, click the like button or comment below, let me know. Let me know what kind of mask you use too.